It's not really a question, but rather a thought. When you simply look at the composition of the French national team, it leads us to understand the real need, where the real need lies. The message I always send to Africans is this: if we recognize our own value, and fully embrace it, we possess immense natural resources. We possess human resources as well. Wow, the way he answered it, I love it. With a rapidly growing demographic and predominantly young population, we possess a strategic position. If we learn to recognize our own worth, then we will realize that the balance of needs is not where many people think it is. That realization would